Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Ressence Dive Watch Type 5B in titanium with a very interesting oil dial setup. I'll tell you a little bit about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on, and then give you my thoughts. Let's start with just a little history. The name Ressence. It's a Belgian watch company. It was created in 2010, and so that's only been about 15 years since it's 2025 now. And they created this very interesting watch, I can actually say unlike any other watch that I've ever seen, at least automatic watch that I've ever seen. And that's saying quite a bit because there's literally thousands of watches and tons and tons of watch companies out there. They all make mechanical watches, and for the most part, they all look and are very similar. This watch is quite different. It makes a lot of interesting things, and they're they're quite not well known yet, but maybe perhaps that'll change. So that's a little bit of background. All right, now let's start talking about this watch itself. Now on their website, Ressence, Ressence, they have type 1 through 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, and 9, and probably some other ones that they probably discontinued or maybe they're coming out with. But this one is the type 5. Okay, well, what makes the type 5? Well, I'm not sure why they put the nomenclature this way. Maybe they just don't have a name for it. But the type 5 is what you see here. Okay, let's start off with the case. Now, the case is a 42 millimeter case, and it has this oval, or not, sorry, oval, has a circular design to it. But what do you notice? First thing I notice is that there is actually no crown. On every watch, every mechanical watch is always a crown because there's a way that you can adjust the time. But in the Ressence watch, there's no crown. Where do you set the time? You actually set it from the back. I'll show you a little bit when I get to the movement. But yeah, there is no crown here. So yeah, all right. Now the case itself, as I said, is made of titanium, and they do that to keep this watch lightweight because it's meant to be actually a dive watch, and I'll explain to you what makes it so special about the way they've done it when I talked about the dial. But let's kind of look at the case a little bit more. Now, the case here is in titanium, but they do make other variations. If you don't like it in titanium, they make a black DLC version of it. They also make like a kind of a sandblasted version and a silver version of it. So this happens to be a black dial with a titanium case. They make, I think, also make a blue dial. They make several variations. Anyways, you can go to Ressence.com by looking at them. But yeah, the one that you see here is having a black dial. Now let's move on and let's look at the bezel here. The bezel, they use a really thin bezel here, and as you can see, it's not much of a bezel, but it is allows you to calculate elapsed time on it, which is the whole purpose of this watch. You can move it here to, just like you would any other dive watch, set it at the minute hand, and then it'll calculate elapsed time. That's and they don't do anything special in the sense of like they don't put like a ceramic bezel or something like that. They keep it very streamlined. Now here's the let's get to the cool part, which is going to be the dial. And why do I say it's cool? Well, first of all, it looks cool. It's very different, not something that you or I have seen very often. I've certainly not seen it. Now, what is special about it? They actually fill it with oil. And you might wonder, well, why would you fill it with oil? Okay, so I read on their website, look, if it's filled with air, when you go underwater and you turn it at an angle, the light will hit the air and refract or reflect, so that you don't really get an accurate picture of the time when there's air in there, because that's how all watches are using. They're putting air in between the dial and the crystal. But in the case of the Ressence, they put oil, and the oil allows so that you can see the dial at any angle. So you let's say you had it at a like a 120 degree angle or a 30-degree angle, whatever it is, you could still read the time at any angle. Now, I'm sure it's not such a big deal. You could have turned your watch and looked at it straight, but it is pretty cool. There's not a lot of watches that do that. And as a result of that, the dial looks like it's almost floating there and moving, like, so you can see it very easily. And they have to use this domed crystal as a result, which is not very common. Actually, I can't really think of another company that does a dome bezel quite like this, and on top of that adding this oil so that the dial is legible at any depth, or sorry, at any angle. It's really cool. And to add to that, to make it even cooler than that, which I actually never seen before either, is that they, as the time turns, so as you change the minutes to whatever minutes, for example, the minute hand will change, but you don't those subdials here that you see, they actually move. So let me, if I can show you, I can kind of move the time for you in the back. They actually, it almost looks like the watch is like floating in this oil, and as the minute hand moves, the rest of the dial will move. So you have the hour on this subdial, this 369, that's the hour, but as the minute hand moves, the whole thing kind of slides around. It doesn't change the time, but it does. It's pretty cool. And on top of that, it also tells you the temperature. Pretty cool. And that it's not a very common thing that you have. The oil. It's actually the oil temperature, which I guess you could say is more or less the ambient temperature, right? I mean, whatever it is outside, this oil is gonna kind of accept that temperature. So 0 to 40 degrees. It's in Celsius, but most of us can read Celsius. So 40 degrees Celsius is like 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and 0 degrees is around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So anyways, yeah, it's pretty cool. Not a lot of watches can tell you that. So if you're diving, and you want to see, oh, what's the temperature? Is it 25? Is it 27? You can simply look at your watch and also calculate elapsed time. The only thing it would be missing would be a depth gauge. That would be incredible if they could actually do that. But okay, anyways, so that's the dial. It moves. It's more of just a cool thing. And yeah. Okay, let's move on here from the dial. And let's talk about the strap. I can't say there's too much to talk about the strap. The strap, you can put it on a rubber strap, a NATO strap, a leather strap, whatever strap that you desire. Let's look at the movement here. Now the movement, you cannot actually see it because they have it covered, but you have this lock and set mechanism that keeps the watch watertight. So you can set it by turning one direction, which I can show you here, and you can wind it, and you can set the time using this circular toggle in the back, and you can set the time. And once you've done so, then you can lock it so that it stays impermeable to water. Yeah. If you want a clean watch with nothing, totally symmetrical, I mean, this is about as symmetrical as it gets. There's no crown, literally no crown. Yeah, so quite cool. And I forgot to mention that the luminova on the dial is exceptional. Let me show it to you right here. Shine this light at it so you can see the dial. It's makes the dial super legible, as it should be. It's supposed to be a dive watch, so you're supposed to read this at night. Or not at night, in the water, which sometimes could be not so much visibility. Okay, all right. Now the movement here, it's their movement. It's a self-winding 282/412 base caliper, and it has something like 142 parts for it. They use some kind of, they call it their Ressence orbital convex system. Okay, I guess it means a base plate, and then they put the dial on top of it so that it can turn. I don't know. They make something really cool. Really cool way that they do it. Okay, let's not get into little details and minutia, because the point is they make a cool watch. It has a very cool movement. It's in oil. You can read it when you're diving, and yeah, that's probably what you need to know. All right. So, anyways, this watch retails. Let's get to my thoughts. This watch retails for $38,500. I can't believe it. That's a lot of money. But this is a very unique company. So, it makes sense. We're talking watches here, so that's not that uncommon. But the good news is that you can buy it at quite a steep discount at jazztime.com. We're selling this watch. Well, this one's actually sold, but we can get another one if you like. But yeah, we're selling it for a massive discount if you want to buy it. And so I would suggest that you buy it at jazztime.com. So what are my thoughts? Now, it's a totally cool watch. If you want something that is totally different from anything else, you've had all these different watches and you just want something that nobody else has, then definitely this Ressence is something that you could consider. And look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.